Lane departure warning can help the driver keep the vehicle in its intended driving lane at speeds above approximately 40 miles per hour. The system only reacts when the vehicle approaches a lane line or road edge. An onboard camera can detect lines and monitor the track that the car is following between the lane lines. When enabled, the steering wheel will correct direction slightly if the vehicle approaches a line without the turn signal being activated. If a turn signal is activated, lane departure warning will not intervene unless side assist, if equipped, detects a car in the vehicle's blind spot. Lane departure warning is on when the lane departure icon is visible in the lower right of the digital cockpit. It can be turned on and off with a long push of the button on the end of the turn signal stalk. While lane departure warning helps the driver keep the vehicle in its intended lane, lane guidance works as a part of adaptive cruise assist and provides active steering input to assist with keeping the vehicle in the center of the lane at any speed above 0 miles per hour. Lane guidance can be enabled or disabled in the MMI by selecting Vehicle, Driver Assistance, the gear icon, Adaptive Cruise Assist, and then enabling lane guidance, or by a short press of the button on the end of the turn signal stalk. Adaptive Cruise Assist must be active for lane guidance to function. While active, lane guidance provides continuous steering input to assist with keeping the vehicle in the center of the lane within the limits of the system's abilities. You may want to temporarily deactivate lane guidance in bad weather conditions with limited visibility, on bad roads with no or barely visible lane markings, when driving on an unmarked road, or if the camera's field of view is covered by dust, dirt, ice, or snow.